Good evening, everyone. This is Michelle Louise Bicking, candidate for Representative to Congress, Congressional District 2, on the Green Party ticket. Today is 11/02/2008. Happy belated Halloween, Samhain. Welcome to a tiny taste of fall before we delve into winter. Wasn't sure if it was going to actually happen. I thought winter was upon us based on the weather for the last couple of days. On my way home, as per my usual, so I just wanted to touch base on my views regarding the recent spate of killings in public spaces. So it's my humble understanding that the United States tops the list of so-called industrial centers of the globe in respect to mass deaths of people outside of the theater, an active theater of war, by civilians. A common denominator in each one of these situations is the particular assault rifle, AK-47, and perhaps, and you can correct me, AK-17. Another common denominator in almost all of the killings to date is that they have been completed by men who happen to identify primarily as white, Caucasian, are American born and or American raised, have a history of violence towards women, and may have held some very conservative views in terms of religion, religious practice, religious expression, the role of women in a given society, community. So those are some of the things that I have noticed and have been brought up by different news media avenues, both offline and online. So the one thing that we're in a position to change outside of teaching young boys and men about respect for themselves and respect for women, as well as being able to share and express their emotions through nonviolent means, through healthy, productive means, and to be able to ask for help, is that the use of these assault rifles outside of military exercises makes no damn sense. I am a believer in the constitutional right to bear arms. In fact, I'm a believer in all of the Bill of Rights, as well as all of the rights and privileges afforded by the Constitution in the United States. My concern is that when the drafters of the Constitution, particularly the Bill of Rights, spoke about the right to own guns and the like, they may not have had any kind of perception or understanding of what a rapid-fire gun would look like. I mean, if you think back to the days of the musket, there was no opportunity or incidents where anyone could have a discussion around the scale. So if we just look at the document itself, it's not difficult to draw the conclusion that the framers did not include such kind of unregulated, unfettered access to these types of killing machines. And, let us not try to debate the issue. These machines are meant to kill large amounts of people. I mean, that is their purpose. That was the reason why it was created. So even though I support anyone's access through legal means to guns of all sorts, I take exception with this type of gun in particular, or any kind of gun that mirrors it, because it serves no purpose. Or should I say the only purpose is to kill people. So everywhere else in the globe, again, to first world countries, in particular, assault rifles and other similar types of guns have been banned. And I think it is long overdue to extend that ban to this country as well. I am both sick and tired of having to openly mourn the loss of children, the loss of young people, the loss of elders from all walks of life, because one person decided that it was in their right to commit such atrocities against others. And I think that we, as a country, as a state, owe it to the lives of children, of young people, of elders, the gatekeepers of our future, to not be accomplices to another mass shooting. I honor and bless the lives of those who were taken, most recently in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and elsewhere around the country. I pray and seek to act upon my vigilance to ensure, in my capacity as a representative of Congress, that no one has to live through these experiences again in their lifetime. And I look for your support and guidance on how to solidify an intersectional movement around gun control, so we will never have to have these kind of discussions again. Thank you for listening this evening. As always, it's a privilege. Feel free to get in touch. I am here.